Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this morning I woke up in such a good mood. It's been a minute since I've woken up like so inspired, happy, grateful. And so I was like, you know what? Today's gonna be a great day. We're gonna speak it into existence, so why not vlog it? So here we are. It is actually 9:50 and I'm about to head to the gym, get me a workout in. This would actually be my 5th day of working out in a row. So me and my mom are trying to do like 15 days of exercise before we head to LA. I'll be going to LA a little bit later in the month. Yeah, it's kind of a mix of a vacation and then just kind of looking at a school out there possibilities. So please excuse my hair. It's going up in a ponytail when I work out. So there's that. So just got back from working out. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. So I'm working up to doing Lauren Geraldo's 12-3-30. So a 12 incline is very hard. So we did a 10.5 incline, 3 speed for 30 minutes. And I was drenched in sweat. So almost noon. I'm about to eat, shower, probably get myself ready so I can film this video. Yeah, so that's like the first half of the day. Hopefully I can have a lot of the video done by like 3. Let's go with 3. So just got done filming. Definitely make sure to go check out my latest Amazon favorites video. I have it linked down below. It's kind of like the aftermath of everything. If you ever want to know like where I'm filming at, like what it looks like, I usually sit on like this corner of my bed, and then I have all of my lighting and tripod and everything over there. So this is usually what you guys are seeing. Yeah, I didn't say earlier that I have some interior design things to catch up on from my class, but I'm also going a little stir crazy, so I'm thinking about just going for a little drive around the city. It's currently 4, so like be responsible or practice mental health. Which one do you choose? Oh, what I can do is give you guys a little OOTD. Yes, I can do that. Let's see. You guys can see my full mess in the background. Ignore that. Okay, so I have on this bodysuit from Misguided. I love that it's like a high neck. I've been looking for a bodysuit like that, and this is absolutely perfect. And then I have on my ASOS jeans from my Trying Mom jean video, and these are so comfy. I love how baggy they are, like amazing. And then I just have on these small hoop earrings that I got from Amazon. Actually, they're really cute. They came in a pack of 4, and yeah, and then my house shoes. So yeah, I think I'm going to try to figure out what I'm doing for the rest of the day, because you know, you don't want to like waste a look when you get ready. So I think if I leave to go like on a drive, it'll probably be at 5, so I have about an hour of just kind of like chilling or working on whatever I want to work on. But what I'm going to do right now is just clean up the stuff from filming, so I don't have to worry about that tonight. So that's done, and while I'm at it, while I'm at it, I'm actually gonna clean up my bathroom as well, because this situation right here, that's a mess. Okay, as good as that's gonna get. Okay. I recently made a Sephora purchase, shocker, but it was actually for the new Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation, which I'm actually wearing today, and I really do like it. Like, I see you. I never tried the original formula, but just because I thought it may not work that well since I do have oily skin, so I thought I'd give this one a try, and I'm really liking it so far. But with that purchase, I was able to get a couple of samples, and usually on Sephora, whenever I do make a purchase, I try to always get perfume samples so I can try out some new stuff. And well, two of the samples that I got is this Skylar Capri. I have no idea what that smells like. I've never heard of the brand, but it's supposed to be citrus sparkling sweet, so we'll see how that goes. Right now I've been really into clean and fresh scents, which my signature scent at the moment that I reach for more than anything is my Maison Margiela, I think that's how you say it, the Maison Margiela replica perfume Under the Lemon Trees. I love the subtle hint of lemon in it, and I always get compliments on that perfume whenever I wear it. It's very light, very, yeah, no, it's just very light. It's not going to be overpowering at all. Perfect. Just love it so much. But I also picked up a sample of the replica Beach Walk. Very excited to see what this smells like, just because I know that I already like a lot of the replica perfumes, so let's see. It does have a very clean scent to it. It reminds me of another perfume that I've had before, but yeah, very clean, very fresh. It smells really good. I don't think that I would choose this one over my Under the Lemon Trees one, but not too bad, not too bad at all. And then, I know this is gonna be like so weird. I'm like, how am I gonna smell this? I think I'll put it like up here. Okay, there things that not working. Oh, I got it. I got a little bit. Hold on, I'm gonna just spray it on this card. It does smell very fruity. It reminds me of summer. Not bad at all. Okay, Skylar or Skylar, however you say it, but not too bad. And then I also picked up some undies from Aerie. They had a sale 10 for 35 for underwear for National Underwear Day, I think it was, and I just picked up some of those because I really need to go through my underwear and like throw out some that are just a little old and they've seen better days. So I'm currently driving around just on my like afternoon evening drive. Did I tell you this is like one of my favorite things to do? Like, I love it. I love just seeing like new and upcoming neighborhoods and looking at, I love driving around like the expensive neighborhoods and seeing like the big houses. That's one of my favorite things to do. I'm currently not doing that right now, but I am about to, please hold for buffiness. I really need to put you guys up on my car tripod thing, which I would have to pull over and add you guys. I'd have to pull over and like put you guys on there, so I'll probably do that maybe up here. Yeah, I can do that up here, just like in this random parking lot. Oof. Okay, much better. Okay, so I'm back. You guys are safe and sound on my dashboard. But yeah, just like driving around and looking at houses is like really nice. But right now, I'm actually going to this part of town that I've been like obsessed with just because of how nice it is. I don't know, I just feel like it would be one of my dream places to live in Houston, but it's so expensive, so that's not gonna happen, but a girl can dream. But I mean, who knows where I'll even be. Will I even Like, who knows where I'll be in a couple of years. Like, will I even be in Texas? Will I be in Houston? Will I be in the US? Like, all questions that no one has the answer to, so we shall see. But yeah, so I'm listening to some podcasts. It's usually what I do. Well, actually, depending on my mood. Either it's a podcast or it is just like some music that I want to listen to. And it's almost 7, so I know I'll probably end up going home pretty soon just because I don't want to be here, like be out here at night. Plus I have to work tomorrow, so. But definitely leave me a comment down below with any podcast suggestions. I love finding and discovering new podcasts. So yeah, I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Just made it home from my little drive, and our kitchen light is out, so my mom went to go get some bowls for that, so we need to change that. Like, literally, it was like flickering. You know how in creepy movies, like the lights will flicker? That's what it was doing, and I was like, okay, what's going on here? And then they just went out, so that's that. But I have some Panda Express here. I am so excited and so hungry, so I'm about to tear this up.